Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I'm here to talk to you about a great product review by CNSL. It is a wireless charging station. If you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, so please help me out and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit that like button and please do share it. So like I said, today's product is by CNSL. I'll include a link down below if you want to check it out on Amazon. This is the box it comes in. The box says for iPhone 8 or above or iWatch. So they're really marketing it towards the iPhone and Apple family, but it works just perfectly fine with my Samsung phone. And that's actually, I bought it for that. So this is, like I said, this is the box that comes in, pretty just straightforward. Then you also get a USB cable, and it's got the Type-C connection. You get some instruction booklet, which is pretty straightforward. And then this is the stand itself. It's got some heaviness to it, which is great, so it's very solid. It's got a felt back, so your phone's not going to scratch or anything. It's got a rubbery base here. A little light letting you know it's charging. The phone rests here, and then if you have a smartwatch, the smartwatch just drapes over here, and there's a little indentation, and that's where the smartwatch sits to charge. On the bottom, it's got a fan, little holes here for the fan to keep it cool from overheating. And then this is where the USB Type-C plugs into. So this is great. I love the fact that it's also angled because I keep this at my desk at work, and I can always see the face of my phone while it's charging. One thing to note, the only thing that I would say that I'm not happy with this is they don't give you a brick, which isn't really a big deal because I have a ton of bricks, but you have to be very careful and pay attention to what brick you're plugging it into. So it needs to have the, what's it specifically called is the 9V 1.67 amp or the 5V 2.8 amp adapter. So that's the standard for Samsung. That's your standard fast charge adapter. If you do not use the fast charge adapter with those amperages, it's going to cause the device to have problems and your phone to not charge correctly. So make sure you do plug in and check that. If you don't have that brick, then you're going to have another item to buy. So that's my only complaint is, since it is a specific fast charging brick, I wish they would have included that. But at the end of the day, if you have these bricks, it's not really a big deal, which is, you know, when I was reading the product description, I noticed that and I checked my brick before I bought it and it works perfectly fine. So, you know, like I said, just plug this in and then plug it in the back of your charging station and you're good to go. And that's it. The charging is fast charging. So just like when I plug it into the brick, the phone charges quite fast. So that's basically it. Like I said, if you got any comments or questions, I do respond. So feel free to hit me up in the comment section. Like I said, I'll include a link below for more information if you want to check it out for yourselves on Amazon. Until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.